before you move to America, stop. Don't just pack your bags, pack a skill. Because the people making real money over here is not always the 9 to 5 workers, it's the ones with trades. And before you go any further, like the video, comment what trade you plan on doing, and subscribe because this can literally change your life. Number one, mechanic. Me remember when I just reached in the US and me say, yo, me I got change 2 tires at AutoZone. And I almost 400 go away just like that. And I think to myself and I say, me make 5 bills a week. And this man just make me weekly pay in like an hour or less. Every time something wrong with my car, the price for fix it never under $300. So saying this to say, if you know for fix car, you are always in demand. People don't stop driving and cars always need work. Number two, carpenter, contractor, plumbing, electrical. You know it go. I never really grew up around this, but when we used to fall overseas, my granddad used to do this type of work. So I do everything, drywall, painting, like to fix up all house, you know them thing there. And may I tell you this, in America, this is big money. The real estate market, crazy. Investors, them literally, they constantly buy, fix, and flip. And guess what? Them want you for work. And another thing, and for them cash they must spend. They must spend loan money. So you know, so that money big. So them willing to pay 10K easy to get jobs done fast and right. And honestly, if me never caught up in my business, this is exactly what me da focus on. Number three, HVAC, AC, and heating. Me I gonna make this simple. Americans cannot live without AC or heat. The heat, brutal. The cold, even worse. So HVAC technicians always working, them always needed. Even fixing a small issue can bring in some serious money. I remember a time when something did wrong with my heat during the winter and me have to tell my landlord and one man come to fix it. And me ask him how much him get paid or how that type of trade they work. I couldn't believe it. So remember, high demand, high income trade. Number four, it's simple but barbering. A man working a minimum wage 95, him nah make where a barber make. And me I go break it down. One haircut for like $40, $50. You have 5 clients that about 200 to 250 for the day. Time that about under 4 hours. So you basically get a man 2 days pay in a 4 to 5 hours. So if you have that skill, sharpen it, brand yourself, market yourself because people are gonna pay if you get a sharp cut. Once they know you can trim good, you good. Number five, this is geared more towards the female, but hair, nails, makeup, lashes, yeah, you don't know for the lady. This one is a gold mine. Braids 150 plus, wig install 200 plus, nails up to 200, and the time 1 to 4 hours. And you know it go. It depends upon the style or whatsoever, and it only go up from there. And the thing about this repeat clients, so if you're good and consistent, you can easily out earn a regular job. And listen, if you move soon and you don't have a trade yet, just check out my last video on businesses you can start in the US with absolutely no skill. Because there's always a way to win, even if you're starting from zero. So when you come to America with just hope, you're gonna struggle. But when you come with a skill, you have leverage. You're not just looking for a job, you're creating income. Learn the trade before you leave. That's the real head start. Like the video, comment what trade you'd have planned to do, and subscribe because we have built something really right. So let's go. Let's thrive.